It was 3:30 a.m. when a hand came out of the mirror. And tonight at 3:30 a.m., the whole body will come out. Are you ready, guys? I turned on the light immediately. The room was empty. The mirror looked normal too. Just fog on the glass, like someone breathed from inside. I thought it was my imagination. But then, wet footprints on the floor, starting from the mirror and ending at my bed. It was 3:15 a.m. I started recording on my phone. 3:20. The fog in the mirror got thicker. 3:25. A whisper from inside. Come out. 3:29. Cracks started appearing on the glass. And 3:30. The mirror completely cracked. The mirror shattered and she stepped out. White dress, long wet hairs. And eyes completely black. She smiled and said, "You kept me awake for 3 nights. Now it's my turn." She grabbed my hand. It was freezing cold. And she started dragging me inside the mirror. The last thing I saw was my own reflection smiling at me from inside the mirror. And me, I'm still trapped inside the mirror. Want to know how I got out? Don't miss part 4. Subscribe and hit the bell. Bye bye.